Oh my god, Elon Musk is the GOAT. Seriously, you know this guy? No, not that guy. I mean this guy here, standing next to Kanye West. Kanye posted that one on his Twitter not too long ago. Very cool picture. Meeting of the minds there, the two GOATs in the one room. But seriously, Elon Musk and what he is doing with Tesla is absolutely incredible. Because for the first time ever on Thursday, Tesla soared past $1,200 a share. Yeah, that's right, a nearly 8% move there. Absolutely massive for the last trading day of the week. What a nice way to finish the week and lead into the long weekend for all you Americans. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. Look at the 1 year chart there. Just 1 year ago, this bad boy was in the $200 mark. Now we're all the way up at $1,200. It's up like 400% in 1 year. Absolutely amazing. And look, no, it's fair to say my portfolio is looking very nice after that move. My nearly 4 shares there I bought way back with an average price of $277. I'm up about 336% on those shares right now. It's looking very nice, if I do say so myself. Now, why exactly did Tesla make such a massive move there on Thursday? That's exactly what we're going to get into this video today. And I'm also going to give my opinion on Tesla and Tesla stock, my thoughts on the stock and the stock price. Is it getting a bit too overvalued here now? Who knows? You have to watch the video to find out. So just before we do get into it there today and do a bit of an analysis on Tesla stock, if you could please smash the like button like usual, that would be greatly appreciated there. Let's see if we can hit 20 likes on this video. And if you do continuously find yourself watching my content but you're not subscribed, or you feel like subscribing after this video, come on, hit the button to help me gain subscribers and stay tuned for more videos that I make. I make stock market videos all the time. Okay, so why did Tesla stock move up so much on Thursday? Why did the stock rise nearly 8% in 1 day? Well, it's pretty simple. Some very good Tesla news came out. Yesterday morning, a few articles like this were posted. Tesla shares soar after reporting big beat on second quarter deliveries. Tesla shares soared after the automaker said it delivered about 90,650 vehicles in the second quarter, beating Wall Street expectations as the electric car maker's sales withstood the economic downturn better than most of its competitors. Basically, Tesla came out and said, for second quarter, we delivered 90,650 vehicles, which is an absolutely insane number, because analysts were actually expecting nowhere near that number. It's actually a massive beat here for Tesla. Literally, on average, analysts were originally only expecting Tesla to deliver like 72,000 vehicles in second quarter, with some high estimates being up at around 83,000. For them to come out and absolutely smash this number by an extra like 10, 20,000 is ridiculous, even in a normal time, and it's great news alone. But in the current time, in the current economic climate, when we have a once in 100 year pandemic happening, you know, when it isn't really encouraged to leave your house, in a time where people aren't exactly going out there and buying brand new cars, for them to beat those analyst numbers, it's just ridiculous. It's absolutely amazing. Tesla is such a great company. So yeah, just a massive beat on those numbers there, and that is exactly why we did see the stock market and investors react how they did, with that nearly massive 8% move there with the stock price on Thursday. Man, personally I think it's just crazy, and in my opinion, it really does show where the automotive industry is heading in the near future. When you look at traditional car companies and their numbers at this time compared to Tesla's numbers, it's just crazy. Tesla are so disruptive. I mean, look further in the article here. It says General Motors, Toyota Motors, Fiat Chrysler and Ford all saw their second quarter sales plunge by more than 30% as the coronavirus caused consumers to stay at home and dealerships and factories to shutter. Now, given that Tesla delivery numbers are still down like 4.8% year over year, so this quarter last year compared to this quarter this year, they are still down by 4.8%. But when compared to your traditional car companies, they're like Ford and Toyota and everything like that, they are down at 30%. So Tesla is still absolutely killing them. And it's to be expected that they're down a little bit, obviously with the current economic times, but they are just destroying the OGs. It's just really a no-brainer that Tesla is the future. Some more great news that I've seen from Tesla there as well. This is an article that came out a few days ago that I saw. Elon Musk sent intriguing email to Tesla staff about breaking even. Apparently it's reported that earlier this week Elon pretty much sent out an email to his workers, right, to Tesla workers, saying, quote, break even is looking super tight and that it really makes a difference for every car that they build and deliver. Now if Tesla can break even this quarter or even turn a profit, that is just going to be huge for them. On average here we can see Wall Street analysts expect Tesla to lose about $1.36 per share this quarter. Although the highest estimate there from one of the analysts is Tesla making 57 cents a share, on average the analysts' opinions together it's expected around about a $1.36 loss per share. So if we can see them breaking even or even making some money on the bottom line, it would just be awesome. You know, we all know Elon Musk can do some amazing stuff like fly rockets into space and land them back on the ground, but do you think he's going to be able to get Tesla to break even this quarter? Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'd really be interested to know. Me, I would certainly like to hope so, that they would, and I think they will come very close, if not only just break even there. Maybe even a little tiny bit of profit, but I think they are going to just break even, or if not, the very small loss. But I don't think it's going to be as big of a loss as those analysts are predicting, that negative $1.56 per share. I don't believe it's going to be that severe. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out though, obviously. I'm keen for Tesla's Q2 numbers to come out. We all know it's going to be a very important one for Tesla, and pretty much all the earnings reports are. So yeah, like always, Tesla just continues to be a very exciting stock there, and this is just absolutely awesome news for Tesla and Tesla shareholders like you and me. Hopefully you, definitely me. Hopefully it's exciting for you. I cannot wait to see what they do in the future and what Elon does in the future, because Tesla is just so disruptive. So let's get into my thoughts, what I think on Tesla. Obviously, if you couldn't tell, I'm quite bullish on Tesla. I love it as a company. But we have seen a few people come out and ask the question, you know, hold on, wait a minute, is Tesla stock getting a bit too overvalued here at $1,200 a share? I mean, yeah, look, if we come out and use traditional valuation methods to value Tesla stock, then yeah, it definitely is going to look very overvalued. But you see, the thing is, you can't really use those methods to value Tesla. You can't try and value Tesla based on the current numbers that they're doing. You have to base it on their future numbers and their future opportunity, because the opportunity that Tesla has in front of them is just absolutely massive. Most people that are currently invested in Tesla, most investors like me, we don't care about the numbers that they're doing right now this quarter like Wall Street does. We don't care. We're in it for the long game. We're in it for like 5-10 years because there's just a massive opportunity in front of them. You should value it like Amazon or some stock like that that always trades way ahead of itself, because they're always just growing massively, innovating, and there's just massive changes and they're so massively disruptive. You can't value it like a traditional vehicle manufacturing company. You have to value it more like a tech stock, to be honest. Its share price is always going to trade way ahead of itself because there's always such a massive opportunity in front of them for Tesla. You know, I'm talking about the self-driving technology that they have and that they're looking to put in place. I'm talking about the robotaxi network opportunity that they have. It's just massive. The self-driving tech that they have right now is just leagues ahead of any competition. Like, come on, who's doing this same stuff out there? No one. All these big auto manufacturers, all these big guys, they are years behind Tesla with this kind of stuff, and they're never going to be able to catch up. Elon Musk is just doing amazing things, man. Like, come on, the robo-taxis. I mean, come on, this stuff is crazy. Imagine going into like a Tesla app, right? Like Uber, similar to Uber. You order a Tesla to come pick you up. There's no one in the driver's seat because it's driving itself. And it's just a self-driving car that picks you up and takes you to your destination. This is the stuff that Elon Musk is actually seriously working on. This is just world-changing stuff. It's just crazy. Like, it's just amazing. So if you ask me if Tesla stock's overvalued, I ask you this. If you're seriously thinking of buying Tesla stock right now or in the future, and if you believe everything that I've just said there is going to play out for Tesla and it go in their favour, do you really think the company is still just going to be worth $224 billion? when you have companies literally right now that are worth 600 billion, 800 billion, a trillion, like Amazon, 1.44 trillion, you think that they're going to just be still worth in the 200 billions, Tesla? That's all I'm saying. I'm just going to leave you with those questions there. I need to stop because it's honestly making me feel like, man, I need to go and buy some more Tesla stock even at the current price that it is. Anyway, guys, obviously amazing news for Tesla there. That's why the stock price has just shot up how it is. Amazing company. I could talk about Tesla all day, but we need to cut this video there. So that's all I've got for you today there, guys. Like I said, please smash the like button if you did enjoy the video. Consider subscribing. I do make stock market and personal finance videos all the time. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, subscribe. Like, come on. Click the circle here or go down below and hit that sub button. Leave your thoughts on Tesla stock and the company Tesla in the comment section below. Would love to see it. But that's all I have here for today, guys. You have a good one.